welcome. Uh, we are here again, and we're going to unbox the Breaktime collection Volume 4 of My Hero Academia. So, if you already seen my previous unboxing, I unboxed those three. Yan, yung tatlong yan. Big three. Now we're going to unbox Uraraka. So the box. See the box here. Okay, let's go into unbox. Yung previous ko, hindi ako nagsasalita. This time around, I'm talking. I will try something else. But I won't speak just in English. I'm going to speak in Taglish. Okay. This is straight from Japan. Okay, I just got this morning, so I'm going to unbox this. Let's see. Oh, see? Only one figure, so this is going to be a short unboxing. Okay, let's go. And off my camera here. Gonna open the plastic. Of course, gonna open the plastic. How can we get the figure if we don't open the plastic? Okay, here it is. Uraraka from My Hero Academia. And Breaktime. Wait, let's smell this. Yeah. If you're a collector, and then you open a new toy, diba? Minsan, you smell it. The smell of new. Yeah. Try it. Yeah. Iba yung amoy ng ng bago eh. Pag bago yung toy. Pag ni-smell nyo, wait. Smell of a new toy. Okay, let's see the look. Typical Breaktime. May ano dyan kasi it's going to sit here. Yeah, just like that. Yung face, the detail, it looks like Uraraka. Very good. It's a good detail, yung details of her costume. This one, I hope in a previous Breaktime collection, I hope wala ito, no? Yun lang siguro, maano ko flat. So I much prefer na sa whole costume, this one. Size comparison. Yep. Yan yung boy crush. Deku. And will look good together. Can't wait for the whole class 1A to have a Breaktime collection. Yep, really good together. There you go. My Hero Academia Breaktime Collection Volume 4. Uraraka. So if you like this video, please don't forget to push that like button, subscribe, para naman makagawa ako ng iba pang video, and then like, share. And if you have comments, please comment. Okay? Thank you very much. That's the unboxing for today.